Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how my stove/oven works. So this is my stove and oven. Got two burners and an oven with a thermometer to check the temperature. To attach the propane, it's from the back end of the stovetop. And to have access to it, you need to open your bottom doors. Close this up. Pull this out. This is where you'll attach the propane. And the stove is just not, it's not screwed into the van, it just kind of snugs in here. Now I never leave the propane on it all day or all the time because this does leak sometimes. So I do have two propane tanks back here. We're just go ahead and attach it. Just push it back in. Make sure you only hand tighten it. Do not overdo it. And you just go to your burner knobs. You can close these doors now. You just push in and keep clicking until this thing lights. There we go. Then you can adjust the heat up and down. And the oven works in the same way. So just open it up, then you're going to use this middle knob to get the flame on. So where you're going to look is in this middle hole here. You're just going to keep clicking it in, click. Just keep doing it. There we go. Okay, here we go. One more time. There it is. Come on. There we go. Then you can see the flame is in there, and then I always leave it on high until I get to the temperature that I'm looking for, and then once I get to that temperature, whether it's usually 350 or 400, I bring it down to a low. And it usually just keeps it at its temperature. But you do have to watch it. It's not like a smart oven like the ones we have in our houses. Just turn it off. Bam. And that's it. Just make sure you remove the propane after each use or you'll be wasting propane and nobody likes that.